Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2 Antigen Detection Kit, colloidal gold-based for self-testing. Please read the instructions in your kit carefully before test. Kit contents. Open the box. The kit contains these items. Preparation. Remove secretions from the surface of the anterior nasal cavity before taking the sample. Wash your hands. Make sure they are dry before testing. Check the expiration date printed on the foil pouch of the cassette. Open the foil pouch and take out the cassette. Put the test cassette on a flat, dry surface. Sample collection. A sample of a nasal swab can be collected by a person 15 years of age older. Children aged 2 to 15 must be swabbed and tested by an adult greater than 18 years old. Test procedure. Open the package from the end of the cotton swab package and take out the cotton swab. The tip of the swab should be inserted between 3 and 4 centimeters until resistance is felt. Roll the swab along the inner wall of the nostril 5 times. Using the same swab, repeat this process for the other nostril to ensure enough sample is taken from both nostrils. Remove the cotton swab from the nostril. Open the elution tube. Insert the sample swab into the tube. Make sure the sample is removed into the sample eluent by rubbing and stirring the sampled swab up and down for 10 times. Squeeze the tube and the swab to leave the eluent on the swab completely in the elution tube. Discard the swab. Place the dropper tip on the tube and make sure the dropper tip is tightly capped. Mix the sample by gently turning the tube upside down. Squeeze the tube to dispense 4 drops, about 80 microliters, into the sample well of the cassette, and start counting. Visually read the results after 10 minutes. The result is invalid after 15 minutes. Interpretation of test results. Please place the swab, tube, and test cassette into the disposable bag after use.